what I'm trying to do here is I'm getting this spirit level nice and tight and perfectly flat, and then I'm measuring the distance between the top of the level and the bar effectively. And what I'm doing is I'm making sure the bar's pulled up so there's no room for error when it starts tightening up. But what I need to do is I need to get something in underneath this bearing on that side before I weld it to take it down a bit. I'm going to use a washer to see if that's correct now. I think that's as good as I'm going to get it. See the hole just there? I'm going to try and get something to go all the way through, which I can then weld on to get it even more perfect. Well-deserved drink of tea. Cheers, you geezers. Good to see ya. Aye. That is what the calipers are saying for the bearing holes. So let's go have a look. This is perfect. Look, 10mm stainless. It's not structural strength, but it's just going to add something to keeping those bearings aligned. Sweet. That's it. It's going to weld that in there. So this pin, the big one, we'll be able to put that in and take it out. You can see what I mean about having it pulled up slightly when I weld it, to try and make it as straight as possible. So this pin will be able to come all the way out, and we can have a pulley in that on there. This thing shouldn't really get in the way. This is just an extra way of solidifying this bearing structure, so to speak. First I want to get a bit of weld on there, and then in there, and then I'll weld on there. Where's my finger on? I'll weld there, and then same on the other bearing. And breathe. Show you that still moves. It should still be pretty level.